The animated sprite, a direct child of the Node 2D that allows to create sprite animations easily and really fast. It's mostly used in place of the animation player because of how easy it is to create animations. To get started, we're going to add a new node which is going to be animated sprite node. Then on the frames here, you click it and click new sprite frames. I'm going to click it to open this tab down here. Right now, the name of this animation is default and we're going to leave it that way. But if you want to change it, you can easily go here and change it. So for the first sprite sheet, we're going to use this grid-like icon. We're going to click it and click on the sprite we want to use. As you can see, there are 6 frames in this sprite. So we're going to make the horizontal to 6 and the vertical to 1. When you're done, you click select/clear all frames to select all of them. And we're going to add all 6 of them. To see the animation playing, we're going to go over to animated sprite and go and click on playing. If you scale this sprite up now, you're going to see the animation playing really nicely. We can increase the speed to a 10 with the speed down here, and as you can see, it's moving faster and looking better. If you want to remove any of these frames, you can just click it and click this delete button and it removes that frame. The other type of animation frames we have is going to be a girl running. So to add that, we're going to click this folder icon here and we're going to add the 3 of them, and as you can see, it all adds it here. To show how clearly, I'm going to go over to transform and make the scale back to a 1. So as you can see here, she's running quite nicely, but the animation is not really smooth because of how many frames we have here. The animation player also has signals for animation finish so that you can keep track of when the animation is playing or not. Remember that if playing is checked, it's automatically going to start playing when it starts the game, but if it's not, you have to start it manually from the script. Hey there everybody, this is Davis Dev and that has been Animated Sprites in 100 seconds.